CIC, Canon 1063, and CCEO, Canon 1783, prescribe the ongoing pastoral care of marriages. Today, the married faithful and their families face many challenges and problems. In the midst of these challenges and problems, they need a lot of encouragement, consolation, guidance, and continuous moral support from the church and its ministers, particularly from the pastors. Young families in their first years of marriage require more such pastoral care. Many troubled marriages can be saved with proper and timely pastoral intervention and guidance. Visits to families by the pastors is a helpful means to provide positive support for married couples and their families, and such other programs like family seminars, couples retreat, family encounters are of great help in this direction. Assistance from family to family is also an easy way of help. Mixed marriages are special pastoral challenges requiring particular attention from the part of bishops and parish priests and other pastoral leaders of the church. Local ordinaries and other pastors of souls are to see to it that the Catholic spouse and the children born of mixed marriage are not without the spiritual help needed to fulfill their obligations. They are also to assist the spouses to foster the unity of conjugal and family life. Suitable pastoral guidelines and organized programs will have to be made in order to put into practice this prescription of law for the ongoing pastoral care of marriage in parishes. The pastoral care of the regularly established family signifies, in practice, the commitment of all the members of the local ecclesial community to helping the couple to discover and live their new vocation and mission. In order that the family may be ever more a true community of love, it is necessary that all its members should be helped and trained in their responsibilities as they face the new problems that arise, in mutual service and in active sharing in family life. This holds true especially for young families, which, finding themselves in a context of new values and responsibilities, are more vulnerable, especially in the first years of marriage, to possible difficulties, such as those created by adaptation to life together or by the birth of children. Young married couples should learn to accept willingly and make good use of the discreet, tactfully, and generous help offered by other couples that already have more experience of married and family life. Thus, within the ecclesial community, the great family made up of Christian families, there will take place a mutual exchange of presence and help among all the families, each one putting at the service of the others its own experience of life, as well as the gifts of faith and grace. Animated by a true apostolic spirit, this assistance from family to family will constitute one of the simplest, most effective, and most accessible means for transmitting from one to another those Christian values which are both the starting point and goal of all pastoral care. Thus, young families will not limit themselves merely to receiving, but in their turn, having been helped in this way, will become a source of enrichment for other longer established families through their witness of life and practical contribution. In her pastoral care of young families, the Church must also pay special attention to helping them to live married love responsibly in relationship with its demands of communion and service to life. She must likewise help them to harmonize the intimacy of home life with the generous shared work of building up the Church and society. When children are born and the married couple becomes a family, in the full and specific sense, the Church will still remain close to the parents in order that they may accept their children and love them as a gift received from the Lord of life, and joyfully accept the task of serving them in their human and Christian growth. Thanks for watching. For more videos on marriage, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Canon Law Explained.